Passion is everything when it comes to stepping into self. It's your girl Poe, P-O-E, your favorite tree. Ooh. If you want to follow me, you can check me out at Poeism. Peace.
Well, hello. Yes, I'm looking beat today because I decided to put a little bit more energy than usual into my face. So yeah, I was just in the mood, so I kind of just went with like this sexy grown woman. Aries season just started. It is the start of spring, so I was feeling springy. Let me stop. Okay, so this video, and hello to who's new, hello who's here, hello. All my info is in the description below. My name is Poe, you already know. This video I will be showing you how I style my bang a little bit because I feel like I'm about to take these out seriously and everything. These are some styles that I put a little bit more effort into. The first one is kind of like a it's like just like a slick to the side, so it could look like my hair is like back, like, you know, like if you were to just brush and have your hair wet and back like down. That's like the look there. Sometimes I put pins like all the way around to like exaggerate that slick look, and I'll put it up into like a ponytail. And I've actually kicked up on my braiding skills, so I'm able to do some cute braiding type of things with my hair too. That's why I can't wait to take my hair out and just let my hair breathe, or to take this out and let my hair breathe, because it's been a little minute. And I like the way I put my ponytail, or when I do buns, I grab the hair as if it's like shoestrings and I tie it, you know, like put it through and, you know, pull it through like a shoestring, and that's like the root to my bun or my ponytail, and it really holds. And then I'll wrap around it. That's like one of my secrets, especially when I have like really huge buns and people are like, oh my gosh, I can never say, and I'm like, no, we can. But everything that I use, from the ribbon to like my pins, the rubber bands, all of that you can find at the beauty supply store. And if not, anything close to that, to be honest. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.